Hi guys! Because my life just consists of uni work, gym, work, that is what my life consists of, and therefore there's limited videos I can make at the minute. But I'm coming at you today with a realistic day in the life. 8 a.m. Yeah, just on these miserable grey February days at uni. It's fine, spring is just around the corner. I'm actually really excited to make some spring videos, and hopefully there'll be some sun at some point this year, because I'm still waiting. But yeah, every day at the minute is just about trying to be productive, trying to get things done. You know, life can be mundane sometimes. Life is mundane a lot of the time actually. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey, I've just come to do some work in this cafe. Oh, I feel like you can hear the music over me. But I'm in my favourite cafe in Winton High Street. It's called Flamingo. The vibes in here, they are immaculate. I'm just going to do a little bit of work and have a cheeky little iced coffee. God, that music. Probably going to get copyright, aren't I? Anyway, let's order. Could you imagine if I just ordered an Aperol Spritz right now whilst doing some uni work? Don't you just love when cafes have photos on the menu? It's just the little things, guys. Oh, I got this smoothie the other day. Oh, it's not going to say what's in it. Where is it on the menu? Coco Loco, mango, coconut, pineapple, mint and lime mixed with apple juice. It is so good. No, we're gonna have to shout. I need a mic. Hello. Gym. We're off to the gym.
It's not even sunny, but it's magic.
You're like a celeb. I forgot my cup. No, it's that I see it. We're off to the gym to do a leg session.
Big old legs.
Really excited. Got a bit delayed because I had a fat off Shein order arrive.
You're gonna have to give them
keys
a
gone
haul.
now.
Oh god. You're gonna have to give them a haul.
I will give them.
You got to give the people what they want, Lara.
I'll give a haul, don't worry, but you should see the state of my room. I need to clean on it. Wait.
It was unlocked anyway. Oh my god, this side was unlocked.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Really?
Because it was like the little button thing was up.
Who's my teeth look like it's so white? Look! Oh my god, and why is it like that? Okay, yours look way whiter than mine. I'm gonna stop smiling now.
No bother. Right, anyway.
It's because I've been to the hygienist recently, that's why.
Back. Oh my god, you just remind me I need to book the hygienist.
Have you not booked
My
it?
phone now.
Are you fucking alright? Are you actually alright?
It's in the boot. I barely do need it. Do you want to put yours
I'll
in?
put my music on.
Right, let's go.
Oh, but will it not be connected to your phone automatically? You need to disconnect your...
What about if I pull it out?
Phone's definitely
You
connected
want me to get mine?
Which means,
Honestly, I have a bit of mare here.
What do you mean we? There's no we in this at all.
I can't stop
She's the goat
singing that. And when I'm back in Chicago,
No, that's not singing.
I've been thinking about you lately. Let me guess. Oh, I hate this.
Just focus on the road for starters.
Can I have... Oh, I don't know what song I want. I'm 2 days into college. Do you want to know that?
Ah!
Girl. 2 days into college. I'll be the princess. I'll be the princess. Get that shot. Shall I add weight or no? You can if you want to, yeah. Guys, I've got to fake tan my back. We're doing Bulgarian on the stick machine. Kill me now. What is it? Yes.
I'm literally getting all the angles.
We're doing, what
do? Watch us both die. Come on, Izzy. Come on.
Yeah, it's reason enough. We still got to hear about lunges as well. Keep going, keep going.
Gym session complete. I'm done now. We spent most of the time on the Smith machine. Yeah, it's a Friday. But you know, life of a final year, 4th year student. Anyway,
This is what you get.
I was not being dramatic when I said about the state of my room. This needs a little bit of TLC. I think I'm just gonna... Oh, do I give you a haul? I don't know. Do I save it for another video? No, do you know what? I think I'm gonna save it and show you guys in another video. Maybe I'll do like a spring. I don't know, let's just wait for the spring videos. I'm gonna gatekeep for now. I do apologise, but what I am gonna do is tidy and sort this mess out. So yeah, cue the time lapses. I absolutely love just sticking this on at night. It just makes the most cozy atmosphere in my room, and it also just smells unreal. The White Company oils are just the best thing ever. Look, got Fireside Winter and Seychelles. Oh my god, they are to die for. I've got a pink Sands Yankee Candle one, and I thought I'd give it a try. I used to love the pink Sands Yankee Candle. Good if I could open it though, wouldn't it? Let's see what this smells like, shall we? Oh wow, I reckon that's enough. What do we think? Yes, there's actually no better feeling than lighting a candle or putting your diffuser on once you've cleaned your room.
I'm eating my
We're doing a bit.
Oh my god, you can literally see my fourth tooth. Literal food.
This music's kind of distracting me. I'm actually going to bed now, but I'm just going to quickly put some tanning drops on my face. Does anyone else use the Molly May filter tanning drops? Please answer me this, okay? Do yours ever break? Because I buy these religiously, and about 4 or 5 times now, they're like, this thing just like falls apart. The what do you call it? It's on the tip of my tongue. You know, in a science experiment where you're like getting out the Anyway, does anyone else's break? Because mine does it all the time. I just think it's actually pretty bad for your money. What's it called? Pipette. It's a fucking pipette. I might be able to get some real life footage of this falling apart. Yeah, I have. I literally have. Do you see? It's now stuck, not coming out. I mean, it's not good enough, really. Off to bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you watched it all the way through, then you are just the best, and I really, honestly, I do appreciate you, and it does not go unnoticed. So thank you so much. From the bottom of my heart. Look, real life footage, real life proof. Molly, if you're watching this, please can we fix this situation? I love it though. I will still continue buying it. Right, off to bed. We'll see. He likes my pajamas. Oh my god, let's not get the ass bum. I can't function. I'm trying to show you the bow.